have a ball with our first Guinness World Record attempt. Here to try to break the record for most balls caught in a Velcro suit in 1 minute by a team of two are David, Rush, and Jonathan Hannon. Welcome back, gents. Welcome back.
Wake up, come on.
What's the record we're trying to break here at 62?
Yeah, so the mark to beat is 62. They need to be 3 meters apart, one ball at a time, and the balls have to last on the suit for 5 seconds at the end of the minute.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's put 60 seconds on the clock. Michael Emprick, you'll count us down,
Absolutely.
okay?
Jonathan, are you ready? David, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you'll start on my go. 3, 2, 1, go. $50 seconds remaining. 50 seconds. Remaining, 30 seconds. Turn. 20 seconds remaining, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Done. Okay.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
All right, we're gonna count the balls during commercial break, and then we're gonna see if Ryan and I can do it. All right, we're gonna.
Yeah, see who broke the record. Stick around.
Jonathan, David, the mark to beat was 62. Today, you had 107. It's a new.
Congratulations.
You guys are officially amazing. Great job.